Hello, I am in the kitchen today and I have my phone on. I just feel like eating granuts. So, you know granuts? Peanuts, right? Peanuts. Peanuts. We call it in Nigeria, we call it granuts, as in ground nuts. Granuts. Oh my goodness. Hi. You know, and let me tell you guys something. In Nigeria, we have our own English. We have our own Nigerian English. I'm sorry if you are not Nigerian and you're watching this, or you are a native English speaker. See, it's not as if we're killing the English language. You should not mind my shirt. In fact, I cut off the sleeves kind of a little bit. I went to the Asian shop the other day and I bought peanut shop. We also call it Afro shop, but it's actually Asian shop, like Asians selling also African things. But of course, peanuts are not peculiar to Africans or Asians or whatever. So different people have it, but this particular one is from Asia. And I saw it and I really want to do some, I really want to make some peanut butter with it. And I also, you know, my children like to eat peanuts. I also like to put peanuts in my oats, or sometimes when I make my smoothies, or when I make my smoothie bowls. You guys are just discovering my smoothie skills on YouTube. So I encourage you to keep watching, subscribe, and make sure you turn on that notification bell. Turn on that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a new video, because I have come to stay. But I've come on YouTube to stay. Like, now me and you for this matter, for this YouTube. Oh yeah, let's get down to business. This is fresh, not cooked, not boiled, not, you know, baked, not roasted, nothing. This is just peanuts, cleaned, remove the shells. So you guys can see, like I said before, I already opened up the other one, so I'm just going to open the second one. I'm going to run it over cold water for 1 minute, and then I would go ahead to sprinkle a little bit of salt on it, and what else, put it in the oven. So if you have ever seen peanut like this and you're wondering, oh, what do I do with this, like, this is something you should try. Today's own is trial and error. I will show you exactly what it becomes finally. So if it's bad, sorry, do not say Adama sent you. Well, if it's good, then it's worth trying. This is what you do. You run water over it. So I've run water over it, so I'm just sprinkling a little bit of salt on it for reasons I know not. Because actually in Nigeria we don't usually put salt, but I think something keeps telling me deep down in my mind that some people put salt. So if you know how to roast peanuts, please comment down below. How do you roast peanuts? Am I on the right track? Like, if I was doing it locally, am I on the right track? Do you put salt? Do people put salt? Okay, so the next I'm going to do now is to throw it into the oven. Throw it to the oven. Pour it. Okay. But really spread it out. Okay. Spread it out also to the other end, but you need to be careful. You could pick a spoon if you need one. Or you can use this, use anything. So just spread it out, spread it out. Spread. Let me see. Remove the spoon. You just want to try as much as possible for all of it to be like on their own. Let's see what it's going to be like. Actually, I know that some people use gari to roast their peanuts too. Some people use gari. Yes, I know some people use gari, but that would be waste of gari, because that gari will be brown totally. So let's see. Now that we don't have sand and we're not about to use gari, let me use my oven to see how it goes, and I'll get back to you later. This thing not me. So 20 minutes is gone, and let's see. When it's done, it's supposed to easily come off. Oh wow, it looks good. I preheated the oven to 200 degrees centigrade. That is gas mark 1 2 3 4. That is gas mark 4, 200 degrees centigrade. So since the oven is already very hot, we're going to leave it for about 12 to 15 minutes. So you just check it out depending on when it gets really crispy but still light, and then yeah, it's ready. So guys, it came out very well. It came out really well. I like it. I like how it came out, and it tastes really nice. So you could actually use it for anything you want. You could make peanut butter out of this. You could, add it to your muesli, snack on them, use it for your gari, whatever you want to use it for. And I'm sure your children will like something, natural, not the salty ones sold at the shops, and not those ones that taste so bland. You don't even know whether they are peanuts or not. So this is something you really want to try, and make sure you come back to this channel to tell us how your own ended. So when it's totally cooled down, that is when to remove the bag and then pick it.
Sorry, Danny.
Sorry, Danny. Oh no. Oh, I.
Sorry.
Danny, I.
Danny, go away.